everyone. Happy Monday. I have a real treat for you today. Excuse me. I participated in a card swap. So with other Stampin' Up demonstrators, we could only use new product from the new catalog, the 2020-2021. It's a hard thing to say. 2020 to 2021 annual Stampin' Up catalog. All right. And I swapped with 40 people. So I have 40 cards for you today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the card, but I'm also going to show you the stamp set they used, okay? And if they included their information, I'll give them a shout out. Good morning, Candle. So with that, let's get started. Oh, wait a minute. Before I get started, for those of you who don't know me, my name's Kristina Reese. This is Creating with Kristina. I come live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on my Facebook page. Then I upload it to my YouTube channel. And usually I do a card tutorial, but today I am showing you 40 cards. Okay, let's get started. So the first one, let me switch over to this view. The first one is this really cute, it's not even a card, it's a little gift bag. So it's like an envelope, and then they took the little bags that you can get in our catalog and put some sunflower seeds in there and tucked it in and just said thanks a bunch. So isn't that cute? Good morning, Debbie. How are you this morning? And that comes from this stamp set here. It's called Celebrate Sunflowers, and it's thanks a bunch. So continuing with this stamp set, we have this card, and I want to bring this up so you can see they embossed this layer here, and that actually comes from the Ornate Garden Suite. And they did a beautiful trim and some ribbon, and then they just stamped the sentiment with a couple of rhinestones. So that's a real simple card. Here's another one from the sunflower set. Very simple. They used the paper, though, from Good Tidings. I think that's correct. And then they created the sunflower, Let's Celebrate, and they put a little ribbon there. Good morning, Kim. So we have that card. This one, I like this one. I'm a big fan of monochromatic, as you guys very well know, and they used the Misty Moonlight in the Flowers for Every Season card pack. They used some Misty Moonlight twine. They stamped on the Misty Moonlight cardstock and the tag. So really pretty card there. So we're still here in Celebrate Sunflowers. Now this one's really fancy. They did the lattice fold. Isn't that cool? I'll have to show you all on a Friday Fun Fold how to make that. That is a really neat trick. But if you want to know before I do it, just go to Pinterest and look for lattice fold. Oh, it actually goes like this. Okay, so this is the way the card goes. Now, they use two different stamp sets. They have the sunflower set, but they also have this Just Because comes from Lovely You. All right, this Just Because here comes from Lovely You. And now we are switching to Always in My Heart. Oh, I misdid this. Wait a minute, where's... Oh, fiddle-dee-dee. I had this all organized. What happened? Did this one get out of order? Okay, because the next one is Lovely You. Yeah. Okay, I'm moving those back over there. Here we go. Lovely You. And this, oh, I forgot to tell you who the people were. So this is Kat's creation, Kathy Williams. And she took the Lovely You, the punch, whoops. Here, let's put it over here. The punch here to create these strips in the different new in colors. I like that. That's a way to show off the in colors. She also used a cute little flower punch and the stamp set there. This one, Miles Apart but Still in My Heart. So that's a pretty one. I'm trying to get the glare off of there. There we go. So pretty. And now this was the card I made. And I just stamped a bouquet and then put a tag in the back. Just simple, green and pink. You know me, I'm very simple. All right, now this one used a combination. She used the Thank You, and she heat embossed it from Ornate Garden. But then she used these little flowers right here from this set. So she kind of used two stamps here. Oh, I keep forgetting. And this is Sarah Edwards from Creating with Sarah. All right. And here's another, ooh, here's a pretty, just gray and white. Very sophisticated, very simple. Smile. And this is Margarita Hinman, Fun Time Stampers. So that's fun. Then I have, oh, good morning, my husband's home. Miles Apart But Still in My Heart. It's a pretty one. And she just kind of made her own designer paper with stamping back there. Hey, good morning, Deborah Clark. Oh, I don't have a name on that one. Here we go. You Make the World a Better Place. Now, this stamp set comes from the Beautiful World stamp set. All right, so they took something that looks very masculine and turned it very feminine with some pretty flower paper. But I love that stamp. That's a great saying. Now this is what, yeah, this is more of what this suite looks like with the globe and this beautiful travel paper back here. I love this. This is a pretty sweet. Okay, Beautiful World is the name of this stamp set. Oh, I keep forgetting to turn on the back. Betty and Barbara, I cannot pronounce that last name. Des Moines, Idaho, Iowa. Cool. Idaho? Iowa. I forget what state that is. Lord, I used to be a school teacher. How can I forget that? Oh, I love this stamp set. Isn't that cute? It says, being a dad is whiskey business. And that comes right here, whiskey business stamp set. And it's got a, oh, just really great father masculine set there. Of course, my mother-in-law, she loves old-fashioned, so I may make a card for her for her birthday. All right, so that's Whiskey Business. It's a cute stamp set. Then, oh, I love this suite. For you all who have cats and dogs, this is Pampered Pets. And we have Always in Your Heart, Sorry for Your Loss. Cute. And this is from Karen's Stamping Place. And this one is Enjoy with that cute little cat. I gotta pull that cat's face up here. Isn't that funny? And this is Sandy Carlson. All right. This was the other card I made. All right. And this comes from this stamp set here, Many Mates, the Just Thinking of You. But I also mixed it with the bird. Oh, goodness. Where's the bird? Ah. Nope. Goodness. I didn't realize it was so far back here. All right. Hold on. I'll find it. I have them all marked. There it is. All right, this Birds and Branches. Now, Birds and Branches doesn't have any sentiment, so this is great when you just love birds and you've got tons of sentiments. You can use any sentiment with it. So I did the Just Birds, and I just made a simple wreath with a bow. Very, very simple. You know me, simple, simple. Okay, and this Happy Anniversary stamp here comes from this Many Mates also, Happy Anniversary, but she used a couple of things. She used a die from one set, and she used this flower from another set. And oh, I know it's, hold on, it's back here. It's the Good Taste, or In Good Taste. Yeah, there it is. Oh, Tasteful Touches. Okay, so Tasteful Touches has this beautiful flower here, and then I forget where that die cut is. So she used 3 different stamps on that, or 3 different products on that. Okay, and Celebrate comes from this Many Mates, Celebrate, and she did a gold embossing. I want to see this one. Oh, you can't really see the gold through the plastic. This is Janet Markiniak, I guess. Oh, and I forgot to... Yeah, that one didn't tell me who it was. This flower is from the, not Celebrate Sunflowers, but Jar of Flowers. Here, this is a cool stamp set, this Jar of Flowers. And so I like how she just put the flowers up here, but she didn't include the jar. She just put some designer paper, so that's clever. All right, and this, if you've got lots of little children, this is a great stamp set. First of all, the Hippo Happiness. So it's got hippos and unicorns and butterflies and lambs and really cute birthday sayings. But she picked the Grand Kid. Oh, I'm not sure if I marked that one. There's a stamp set in here just for grandchildren sayings and to a granddaughter, to an extraordinary granddaughter. So there's a real cool. Then this one, Make Today Ridiculous. Oh no, Make Today Ridiculously Awesome. Oh, there it is. Okay, make today ridiculously. I like this stamp set. It also has You Are My Sunshine, Let Your Faith Be Bigger Than Your Fear. That's a great stamp set. And then I have Well Done. Yeah, here we go. Well Done. Let me pull that up. It's got an embossed folder. There we go. Oh yeah, isn't that pretty? I love that. Very cute. Well Done. And that also has You're Kind of a Big Deal. My Love for You is Bigger Than the Ocean. It's got a pretty sea turtle here and seahorse and jellyfish. So that's a fun stamp set. All right, we're coming into, oh, here's the grandkid, a grandkid. So there's really great grandchildren sayings there. All right, now we are to Forever Green, and I've got a lot of these. Everybody loves this paper. And I'll pull this up so you can see a little better. And that is from Ray Hughes. To a Friend That Makes Me Smile. I'll pull that up so you can see a little more detail. Okay, and that is from Kim Allen. And the very simple card, Hello. The little rhinestone and the stitched rectangles, like that. And To a Friend That Makes Me Smile. And this has, it's on back order now, but I love this gold cord. I love how she did that. And then she used the scalloped rectangle there, and she also punched out some leaves back here too. All right, so that is the Forever Fern. The next one is Field of Flowers. Okay, so here's Thinking of You. Very simple. She just took the little flower stamps here and she punched some out. Thinking of You. And now remember the bird set? You need sentiments with it, so she used this sentiment, Thinking of You. But I love how she did her bird, and she used that. I love that bumblebee gingham ribbon. That is so pretty. And she put little pearls in each of the flowers. Yeah, she did a real great job. This is Marcia Gay. Yeah. And here's another one with that bird, but she put Hey Friend. Oh, I'm not sure where Hey Friend came from. Yeah, I couldn't find that, so, but that's a pretty card. And of course we love Magenta Madness. All right. Oh, this one should go back to, no, next one. Nope, there's the birds. Yeah, here we go. All right, we're into this stamp set, Tasteful Touches. This is a great stamp set. It's got awesome sayings. You are so special. You are the best. Just saying hello. The good things in life are better with you. It's got a feather and a flower and a sprig and some background stamps. So it's an awesome stamp set, but the dies that come with it are all frames. Let me pull that up so you can see, because I don't show you very close up. There you go. See all those frames? This is an awesome stamp set bundle. Anyway, so You're So Special with pretty yellow flowers. And Just Saying Hello. Yeah. It's got some lace on there. And another Just Saying Hello. And she used last year's in color, Rococo Rose. You're So Special. And this is the paper that goes with this suite. You Are the Best. Now this is Flowers for Every Season. And there's that bumblebee gingham ribbon again. Oh, and she did, yeah, you can see it there. She did emboss this part up here with the denim embossing folder. And this is the ornate flower paper. Oh, I love this paper. And Just Saying Hello. Very simple. And here this one. Oh, I keep forgetting to do the backs. Kate's Crafts. Kate's Crafts. And The Good Things in Life Are Better with You. And she did a pretty, the feathers and the ribbon. And this is Mel's Inky Fingers. That's a cute name. And here we go. The Good Things in Life Are Better with You. And she used the Celebrating Sunflower to do a background. Yep. And almost done here. just thinking of you, and she used jars of flowers, and she also embossed it. Can you see this background paper here? Is from the World. It looks like old World paper, like handmade paper when you run it through the embossing folder. It comes from the World suite. This is my oh, and I keep forgetting to tell you your name, Mary Ann Rossiter. There we go. And last but not least, a very simple card. Oh, and this Forever Fern suite has this beautiful gold pieces that you can punch out, and just saying hello. All right, and that is from Paper Craft Classes, Marilyn Sikorsky. There we go. Awesome. Wow. I hope you guys like that. Doing card swaps is so much fun because I could not possibly make that many cards with and afford all those different stamps. So it's really great to join in card swaps, and you can find them all over the internet. You can just Google, look in the Facebook search engine or Google card swap opportunity or whatever, and find some card swaps. And then what you do, how it works is the 2 cards I made 20 of each of them. And I sent them to the lady who organized it, Carol Hickman. She is amazing. We love her because that's a lot of work. There are a lot of people who do this card swap. And she gets it all together, and then she mails them all back to us. So thank you again, Carol Hickman. And thank you for all of the demonstrators who participated so we could have a great collection of cards to show off these amazing stamp sets that are in this catalog. I love this annual catalog. And if you don't have a copy of this annual catalog and you would like one, just send me a message and I'll get one to you. I just ask that you order from me. I'll cover shipping and everything, but I just ask that you order from me if you ask for a catalog. And that's really it. A couple of things I want to remind you. My card class by mail is available right now, and you can go to my blog, creatingwithkristina.com. Then in the tab that says classes and events, it's a drop-down menu, and it has the card class. The card class is Artistry Blooms card class by mail. And so click on that and it shows you all the pricing options and all that stuff. The other thing I want to remind you of is, hey, good morning, Francine. Oh, and Teresa, hey. The other thing I want to remind you of is tomorrow, I think, isn't tomorrow the last day of June, or is Wednesday? I can't ever remember. Yeah, tomorrow is the last day of June. So tomorrow is the last day to take advantage of Pick a Bundle, which is joining Stampin' Up for $99 plus tax. That's all you pay. You get $125 worth of product of your choice. You get free shipping. You get a paper pumpkin box. You get business material if you want it. You get... of course, you get me because I'm going to help you make it into an amazing business and never have to worry about having money to buy craft supplies because you'll make enough money to buy craft supplies. And then you get to craft all day. So it's an awesome deal. But the Pick a Bundle part is the awesome part, and that's what ends tomorrow. Is on top of all of that, you can pick any bundle in the suite, in the catalog, for free. You just put that in with your order also, and they'll send you whatever bundle you want. And I always show off this bundle here because it is the most expensive one in the catalog. It is Blossoms in Bloom, and it's $60. It's a $60 value. I can never make my camera go the right way. There we go. So awesome, awesome bundle. $60 bundle for free. Yay! That's all I have for you this morning. Thank you all so much for waking up early and being with me here. And for those of you who are watching the replay, please give me a shout out so I can say hi to you. Okay, have a great rest of your Monday. See you Wednesday, 9 a.m. Bye-bye.